Okay, so in this video I'm going to showcase to you guys this absorber. Alright, this adjustable high-low soft hard and absorber, custom made, custom valving from FTuned Racing. Okay, there you go. This is the FTuned Racing suspension, bring by the FTuned boss by himself. Fly over here to Miri. Thank you very much, Farouk. Thank you very much. This is really good. And this is the drift pack FTuned absorber. Yeah, man. Hopefully it will bring some changes to the car. When the bump stopper say enough is enough. Okay, here is another one. Let's try to open this with one hand. Oh. What is going on in there, huh? The bump stop also disintegrated, become dust. Woohoo! Hey, quick pit stop. Guys, like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and press the subscribe button so that you can get immediately notified when I post a new video. Okay, so we have we have purchased and we have tried many different types of absorber, and so far this is really good. And also I want to tell you guys a lot of advantage of using this, because first, this one is made in Malaysia. So in Malaysia, so we can get a very easy servicing, repairs and spare parts availability too. Okay, and then second thing is, previously we have been using monotube absorbers. Those are you can say that is a little bit of old technology, because the latest technology they are using, there are external reservoirs. They also got the inverted tube designs too. Okay, so FTuned also got this one too, and then they really put in a lot of effort and try to rush the whole set of custom coilovers for our team. Huge shout out to FTuned, Farouk and their team. Really thank you very much, and really help us in our racing too. So thank you very much again. Thank you guys for being with me all this while, and don't forget to comment below your questions. I read all of them and I try to answer all of them too. Alright, I may post a video about it so that I can provide a more detailed explanation for all of you guys and to benefit the whole community. Alright, that's a wrap for today. Thank you for staying tuned all this while, and I hope you guys had a good laugh together with me. Alright, drop a comment below if you guys want to tell me what you want to watch next. Thanks for watching, and see you guys next time.